Don't panic, this mini alligator isn't dangerous. It's actually a young ladybird. Hard to believe, isn't it? Before she gets that familiar red shell with black spots, she goes through an awkward teenage phase. Covered in spikes and looking more like a tiny alien than a ladybird, she's actually a ruthless predator. Her favourite food? Aphids. And she'll happily munch through hundreds of them, making her one of the gardener's best friends. After a few weeks of feasting, our tiny predator stops hunting and attaches herself to a leaf. There, she transforms into a pupa, a bit like a butterfly's chrysalis. Hidden inside, one of nature's most remarkable makeovers begins. The spiky little alligator slowly disappears and a brand new ladybird emerges. At first she's pale and soft, with no bright colours at all. But within a few hours, her familiar red shell develops and the black spots appear. The garden monster is gone, and one of Britain's most loved insects is ready to start the cycle all over again. Proof that even the most awkward teenager can have a spectacular glow up.